Let's deploy the ChromeOS Readiness Tool to your network using the GCP storage option. As a pro user, you can use the GCP storage buckets to securely store readiness assessment results. Click the ChromeOS Readiness Tool installer application to begin the configuration process. The installation wizard will open. Review the details, then click Next to proceed. Since this is for Active Directory version, select the Windows Server Active Directory option, then select the GCP Storage Network Shared Folder option to store the final assessment results. Data will be stored in both GCP Storage Bucket and Network Shared Folder. Click Next. Now you have to sign in with a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, through this option, you can create a Google account. Sign in with your preferred Google account. Later, this will be used to access and view the partner dashboard. Once you have signed in properly, a message will be displayed as in the video. Click OK. Now you can enter your company information. Please provide your company's full legal name and complete address details. You also have the option to upload your company logo, but this is not mandatory. If you do choose to upload a logo, it will be displayed on your personalized dashboard to take a moment to ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Click Save. Your company data will be updating. After providing your details, the tool will connect with the cloud storage. As a pro user, choose the company Google Cloud Storage option. Ensure that you grant Cloud Storage Object Admin role to the provided service account in your GCP project. Please follow the provided guidelines for connecting the service account. Enter the cloud storage bucket name that you have created. You can follow the steps mentioned in our user guide to create the storage bucket. Click the button to connect with the cloud storage, then click Next. In the deployment configurations, select the number of days for the data collection period. The final report will be generated after this period. Additionally, you can enable the Browser Insights feature by clicking on the checkbox. You can check the box to hide the tray application on client PCs if needed. Click Next. Select the ChromeOS Readiness Tool setup file to share with your organizational domains. You will see all the domains in your organization. Select the preferred domains and organizational units where you want to install the tool. This is a one-time installation, so ensure all desired domains and units are selected, as changes cannot be made after installation. Click Install to deploy group policies and install the tool. Once the GPOs are updated and linked successfully, a configuration completed message will appear. The process is now complete, and the tool is installed on the client machines. Click the Export Your Private Key button to download the private key file. Please save this key file securely, as it is necessary for viewing readiness assessment details in the Pro dashboard. Now the configuration process is completed successfully. Data collection for the ChromeOS Readiness Tool assessment will now begin.